be attentive. Because on Sunday, okay, this is not an order question for you guys. Right? So this is a random question. So your evaluation and test, I don't want to share with you what is the test and what is the evaluation. Okay? All the tests and evaluation came from our training. Okay? Today until Sunday, you have to watch and listen the topic. Because I'm gonna pull the topics and say, I will ask you immediately. Okay? So that's why this is a practical based on the materials that we work on. Okay? So this is a practical examination and evaluation. So you have to observe. Okay.